Hi, people. Now, I gotta talk louder because the computer sucks with the volume. Ha 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 ha. Now, I'm gonna show you my dogs and cats I have that are briars. Ha ha ha. And I only have one that's non-briar. Let's separate that one. There we go. Now, here's for my kitties. Wow. So cute, right? Look at the eyeballs. Look at the eyeballs. They're so cute. And this got a little pink nose that nobody can see on camera. This got cute little teeth and everything. She's so pretty. Yes, I just showed you the cat stuff. And here's my collar. He's so cute. So like rock if he will come eat you alive. Ha 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 ha. JK. If you're immature minds, I don't know what JK means. It means just freaking kidding. Now I just have to be me today. So like yeah. Here's my doggy. He's so cute. He's HD double hockey, so cute. And now he is LSQ because there's like no marks or anything on him, and he's like he's just precious. Here's that other kitty. She's stretching. She's stretch. She's going meow. Stretch. She's so pretty. She's right after. And now here is my non-briar animal that like y'all are gonna be like picky about, but you know he's just cute, and I have to use him, and he's like the cutest, and he blends in with them with my briars. So there's like I have to use him, you know. But I'll try to see the difference between the briar and the briar dogs and him and my non-briar. Now ain't he cute? Now I use non-briars and briar dogs because they're just like so cute and they look the same. If you get the right ones. Here's my briar doggy. And here's my non-briar doggy. See? They're almost like the exact same height, so I use them. You don't have to, I do. So like, yeah. Comment, rate, subscribe down below. And his birthday's coming up. And I already know what I'm getting for the birthday from my grandma because I like snuck onto her computer and I was like, let's see what my Christmas presents are. My birthday presents are. It's in. I will tell you what they are because we'll make a birthday video. So like, yeah. Like, gotta go. Bye. Oh my god, I'm so excited.